Even though the other side is
but you can't go higher than 65 meters seconds. That's the highest you can go, just because of the limitation of the radar.
Breaks it first, then he can lay claim to have
But what's interesting,
There's the radar there.
there was a channel there, radar, on K-land, and I could actually look at it, see it coming, and say,
Saw that rain coming our way.
Yeah, it looks like it's moving that way. I don't know, one second, I'll put them on.
Yeah.
and every now and then we hear explosions. What do you need that boat?
That's what it's reading from the actual radar tower. So that's pretty much where they control the radar right there.
It's actually a little bit of but the new desk operator, see, you can volunteer.
So yeah, they have weather balloon launches. They have the Skywarn classes. So 9:30. Go over there at 10. What time is it now? It's probably about that now. 9:20.
Our friends to the north, college.
I know exactly where to go over here.
There was a real sharp
Good morning.
We're part of the Skyward program.
Taking photos while I'm videoing so that I can take pictures while it's recording. Pretty much know all this information, but I wouldn't really be missing anything.
And the guys here have experience with what happens with mountains and things up. Some places would say, a lot of snow coming.
Yeah, all those things tied into all those things are tied into a ground. Those wires go across, they all come down, they tie into that pole right in the middle of the ground.
Oh yeah, this is where they observe. This is where they take all their observations. You got all kinds of equipment. On that one you've got yeah.
Haven't I heard Fred operate remotely? It doesn't seem like it'd be very convenient for him to drive in.
It's crazy when we get really business. The person here can't do it. You got to be able to listen and hundreds and stuff and rights.
We actually had
All they're doing here is talking, confirms with the other side that yeah, we got it. Passed on. My favorite.
Is there a need occasionally for two guys operate?
Occasionally, and it really is hard.
The predicted track was a circle.
This is where they do the ham radio and everything. Like Skywarn spotters, that's where they all talk on.
And then I give them
And I've been here handling it all.
Yeah,
this guy puts it on the,
I could do that, but
yeah.
I'll have to get the equipment for it.
That with foot control would be handy.
We've got the headphones, so we just don't have it hooked up right.
They put it out to the
But when
Yeah.
it gets going, it gets
to the
going.
weather radios, I guess, right?
And of course, I can't, I've got to keep the volume down. Except when I get something something good, I'll turn it up. Listen up, guys.
Good morning, everyone. Just an FYI that the first set of presentations will be starting in 5 minutes, in 10.1 and 10.2, including introductory presentation for Open House, intro to Open House, as well as weathering your backyard.
The Storms Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, they're the ones that issue the severe watches, severe thunderstorm watches. We issue the warnings and proceed with that. This is a little overlap here. I flew the water
Oh yeah.
here with Florida.
That's a barometer.
Yeah, barometer.
And this is all.
Give you those pressures and sensors and stuff.
Very interesting. Never seen that before.
It's very complicated.
Yeah.
Crazy.
See that the Storm Prediction Center says we don't have you guys in general threat.
All right. Well, let me get. Oh, definitely that one. That's a weather radio one right there.
Out there, the sun isn't able to warm the ground, so you're not really getting that.
We're in the Baltimore area.
We're in the Baltimore one.
Yeah, which is the orange. We're covered by Baltimore, Washington, and Baltimore, Washington, other in this office area. So orange and gray, which is Baltimore and Washington.
That's unique.